What's up guys, I'm James and today we're going to be building a DIY waterfall using a Pyrex dish. I nabbed this out of the kitchen so hopefully the wife won't notice it's disappeared for too long. Enjoy! So we started the scape by taking a mini water pump and adding a tube to direct the flow of the water, then added a piece of driftwood to see where it fit best. Next I added some filter floss to keep the debris away from the pump. I added some Roman gravel white quartz sand, which I have used in some previous scapes, and brushed it around the bowl to even it out. I started to cover the pump and gaps with some Java moss I had to create a more natural look. I also added another piece of driftwood to complete the scape. Next I added some water and a few leaves of duckweed. I then tested the pump to see how it looked. Initially I was going to leave the scape there, but I felt it was missing something, so decided to submerge some dragonstone to add a bit more depth and variation, added in some additional Java moss to give it that natural effect. Lastly, to remove any debris and dirt, I replaced the water, and here's what I ended up with. Overall, I'm really pleased with how this scape turned out. This was a thought lying in bed one night, and I think I managed to create what I had in my mind, especially with the limited resources I had around the house. I'd love to know your thoughts on the design and what else I could add to improve the feature, so let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my future videos.